But what exactly happens when things burn? Obviously, a lot of energy is given out, and heat and light and so on. But where do things go? So these candles here, when they're burning in the air, well, what happens? We see the light and heat is given out, but eventually they disappear. There's nothing left. Well, the candles are made of solids called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are substances that contain carbon and hydrogen only, and petrol is an example of a hydrocarbon. It's a liquid hydrocarbon. We also see gas hydrocarbons as well, and we'll see some of these later, but this is a solid. But nonetheless, when these burn, they combine with the oxygen, and what we end up with is carbon dioxide gas and water. Now, we can show this using the apparatus here. What we're going to do in a minute is draw the gases that are being given out as the candles burn through the funnel, and we have a test tube here that's been cooled. So this is being cooled down so we can condense any water vapor that might be given out. And the solution in this flask here is called lime water. And this reacts with carbon dioxide gas. And in the presence of carbon dioxide, a white, milky-coloured precipitate forms. So we need to keep an eye on this when I put the candles on there to see if we can see it changing from the clear colourless solution there to a sort of milky white solid forming. So put the candles in here, the gases are being drawn through the apparatus, and already you can see the lime water beginning to change. It's beginning to go milky now. This is the formation of, well, it's essentially chalk, giving us a white precipitate in this. So this is the carbon dioxide that's being given out as the hydrocarbons are burning. So the carbon in them is forming carbon dioxide. And if we look in the test tube, we might be able to see a few drops of water beginning to form. In fact, we can see there's a few drops in here and in the tube at the top, and a little drop about to drip down, I think, into the bottom there. So water vapor is also being produced during this combustion.